Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, this is going to be a quick video for you preppers out there. I enjoy using plastic and glass containers for different things. I make graduated cylinders out of some of them just all sorts of projects. But the problem is you have the glue on them from the labels. Some people use WD-40 to remove the labels. I've done that, it works. But also it could discolor or haze the clear plastic. What I've found works even better for getting the glue from the labels off of containers, both glass and plastic, is to use oil. This is a little bit of coconut oil on paper towel, and it takes a little bit of scrubbing, but it works. Everything else, soap, hot water, alcohol, it doesn't work. Oil works. And I think that's part of the reason that the WD-40 works, is because part of it has oils in it, petroleum distillates. So that's my tip for this morning, a little prepper tip. By the way, if you have a accurate scale and a thermometer, you can make your own graduated cylinders by recycling containers. You can measure the water out on your scale and then make marks on your little vials and bottles and so on. I'll show you how this looks when I'm done. This one, I guess because I was making a video of it, turned out to be the hardest one I've ever done. But they're normally, they come off very easily with the oil. And sometimes you need to just make a second application, maybe some more hot water and soap, but they usually come off very easily with the oil. And you can also use the WD-40, but if you're using something with food, you may not want to. Also, I think the WD-40 clouds it. So that was my real quick tip for this morning. You preppers might appreciate it. You can use not just for storage, but you can use it for measuring all different type of things. And also making little projects. Take care. See you out there.